Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we have engineer Wang to explain the function of the mechanical leveling screw on the EPS cutting line. Some EPS cutting line models use single-sided limits, namely upper and lower limits, to perform the automatic wire setting. Some have double-sided limits. The machine used in the video has double-sided limits. When initially adjusting the EPS cutting line, installing it for the first time, or changing the placement for the EPS cutting line in the future, there may be errors in the horizontal alignment of the main frame and the cutting conveyor compared to the original position. The adjustment process is as follows. First, ensure the levelness of the main frame, which can be measured in two ways. Check if the 4 feet of the base are level. Check if the vertical rollers of the main frame are vertical. Two, the horizontal alignment of the cutting conveyor can be measured using a laser level self-leveling with an error controlled between 0.5 mm to 1 mm. The leveling of the servo motors on both sides requires the use of mechanical screws. With the EPS cutting line powered off, pull the wire setting cylinders on both sides to the bottom so that the nuts can just touch, and then perform the initial test. If there is still an error when both screws are adjusted upwards, power off again, repeat the above steps and adjust the heights of the left and right screws until they are balanced. Tips. 1. The distance between the conveyor chains is 1,000 mm, and the maximum wire setting height on both sides can reach 1,800 mm, so there may be errors. For example, when the left side is 2 mm higher than the right side, you can adjust the height correspondingly by x 1.5, which means lowering the left side by 3 mm. 2. Generally, multiple adjustments may be needed to achieve leveling. It is recommended to record data during the leveling process to reduce errors. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.